Back in 1932, these farmers that had been using chemical synthetic fertilizers were starting to see these negative impacts on their farms. Their seeds weren't germinating, their animals weren't as healthy. The overall life and vitality of their farms was suffering. So they approached Rudolf Steiner, who was a noted scientist. And when he answered them, he said something that was both very simple and quite revolutionary. He said, you need to stop thinking of your farms as factories and envision them as living organisms, self-contained, self-sustaining, following the cycles of nature. And you think about that in terms of today and our interest in regenerative agriculture. Ultimately, a regenerative farm system creates its own vitality, its own disease, pest, and weed control out of the life of the farm itself, instead of importing solutions from the outside. So that system of farming is called biodynamic. It's been practiced since 1932, and that notion of the farm as organism actually led to Lord Northbourne, 17 years after Steiner delivered what is now called the agriculture course, to coin the term organic from that view of the farm as organism. So if you really go back in time far enough, you see the modern sustainable farming movement isn't about organic or regenerative or biodynamic. It all started at the same point in time as a response to the industrialization of farming.